Hi, it's Zeba from Fresh New Start Today. I came home from work today and realized my house is a bit of a mess. And I just wanted to be able to show you what real life happens, even living tiny, that things get cluttered, things get messy, and when you don't put things away, it stacks up. Dishes, laundry, toys, bathroom supplies, all of this. So I wanted to come on and let you see what real life is for me and my family. I'm going to turn the camera around. And here is living tiny. Now the bedroom isn't so messy. But when you get into the bathroom, we've got stuff set out, and into the living room we've got a box of donations, our shoes, and the cluttered shelf, unmade bed, toys all over, laundry that still needs to be put away, empty box for donations, and all of the kitchen and dirty dishes. Now I'm going to go and see how long it's going to take me to tidy up. Now with tidying up, it is putting away laundry, it is making the beds, putting the toys away, but when it comes to the dishes, I will actually wash and put away the dishes, so that part will take me a little longer. But I'm going to time myself and actually see how long this takes me. So, wish me luck. All right, I am done cleaning, and it took just about an hour to tidy and actually clean. I got into the mode of momentum, and so I just started cleaning as well. So here is the finished product. Now the bedroom I didn't really do anything with, but here is the bathroom. I also cleaned the floor and the toilet. Moving along here, the shelf is now cleaned, bed is made, toys and laundry are put away. Most of the dishes are done. We just have a little bit left, and counter is cleaned. So as you can see, it does even take me an hour at least to be able to clean and organize my house, tidy up. I know, again, that it depends on your situation, how many kids you have, animals, on how quick you can actually do this. Now, my son is with grandma today, so I actually had quiet time and downtime to actually do all this. And again, I get that family life happens. That's how things get stacked up. Not enough time, not enough energy. So I totally understand that it does happen. And obviously it happens with us. So you just got to take time for yourself. I was only going to actually try to do 15 minutes. But again, like I said, I got into the momentum and I kept going and I had time to do it. So I wanted to get it done. Now, I'm super excited that I can just relax for a lot of the evening, except for doing dishes and dinner. And if you haven't seen my other video about meal planning, go ahead and check that out. I will try to add it into the description and in the video for you guys to check out. But I am able to relax now until my son gets home, so I'm super excited. We'll see you guys later. If you like this video, please click the thumbs up, subscribe, and comment if you have any other tips and tricks for tidying up and cleaning. I would love to hear it. I like to use more natural products if I can when cleaning, whether that be vinegar and soap or even a scented version of natural products. So that is always nice. I actually used an acorn spice scent So now I have the seasonal scent in my house along with my cinnamon candle burning. So I am ready for the holidays. I hope you guys have a great one and a fresh new start today.